Welcome to RiRo Kids Tales. Today, Toto the Tiger has a sneezing problem, and you'll learn something super funny with him.
Chew.
Toto the curious tiger couldn't stop sneezing, and every sneeze made something funny happen.
Why am I sneezing? Chew.
He sneezed so hard that he accidentally juggled coconuts.
Scanning. It's not a cold. Not allergies. Oh,
Zuzu discovered the truth. Toto had a small feather stuck on his nose.
A feather. No wonder.
when something tickles your nose, your body sneezes to protect you.
Wow. That's so cool.
And that's how Toto learned why sneezes happen. Kids, sneezing keeps you safe by cleaning your nose. Like, share, and subscribe for more funny learning adventures.